In this video, we will be doing the collection of secondary data, the sources from where you can collect your secondary data. See, there are two sources that are your published sources and your unpublished sources. So, first we will be discussing about the published sources. So, number one is your government publications. The ministries of the central and the state government in India publish a variety of statistics as their routine activity. As these are published by the government, data are fairly reliable. Some of the notable government publications on statistics are Statistical Abstract of India, Annual Survey of Industries, Agricultural Statistics of India, Report on Currency and Banking, Labour Gazette, Reserve Bank of India Bulletin. See, the government keeps on taking out the information from the various ministries, from the RBI bulletin, so you can have the information through the government publications. Semi-government publication. Semi-government bodies like your municipalities, metropolitan councils, they keep on publishing data related to your education, health, births or death rates. These data are also fairly reliable and useful. The third goes to your reports of committees and commission. Like your election commission published the information about the votes and the different areas and what were the number of vote casted, who were the parties. So they keep on giving you the statistics on that. So that is the information that you get from the reports of committees and commissions. Committees and commissions appointed by the government also furnish a lot of statistical information in their reports. Finance Commission, Planning Commission, Monopolies Commission are some of the notable commissions in India which supply detailed statistical information in their reports. Fourth can be publications of trade associations. Some of the big trade associations, through their statistical and research divisions, collect and publish data on various aspects of trading activity. For example, Sugar Mills Association publishes information regarding sugar mills in India. So, your trade association also collect the statistical data and publish the information. Publications of research institutions. Various universities and research institutions publish information as findings of the research activity. In India, for example, Indian Statistical Institute, National Council of Applied Economic Research publish a variety of statistical data as a regular feature. The sixth come your journals and papers. The newspapers, you can get the information or statistical data through journals also, like the Economic Times or the Commerce Facts for You. So these are the magazines you can get the information. Publications of research scholars. Individual research scholars also sometimes publish their research work continuing some useful statistical information. International publications. International public organizations such as UNO, International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, World Bank, United Nations Organization. So these also publish some statistical information. So these are the secondary sources. Like you can use the information collected on their behalf in order to do your research work. Unpublished information. See, some of the data is collected by the government or other institution or organization for their personal use or office report. So these data is not actually published. But what you can do, you can go and request them and show what you are doing the research on. So they can give you the unpublished data. They'll charge some fees for the information and they will give you some information. So these unpublished numerical information may however be used as your secondary data. So these data are collected by the government institutions, organizations and others for their self-use or office record. So in this way, you can ask them that you are doing such and such research work, so you need the particular data. So they'll charge some fees from you, and they will provide the data. Now there should be some precautions that have to be taken while collecting the data from the secondary sources. Like we have various questions in our mind that whether the data are reliable, whether the data are accurate or not. So we have to take some precautions while taking the information from this data. Number one, ability of the collecting organization. The one who is collecting the data and from where you are, who is the published source of data, you have to be very clear about the ability of the organization which initially collected the data. The data should be used only if it is collected by able, experienced and impartial investigators. Then only you should take the secondary data. Objective and scope. Like what is the objective of due to which the data is collected, what is the scope of data, what they have covered while calculating the data. This is very important again, taking the secondary data. The method of collection, what are the method the institution have used in order to collect the data should be noted. Time and conditions of collection. So we should also make surety of the time of investigation as well as the conditions of investigations. So data collected during war times may not be suitable to generalize certain facts. Definition of the unit. Like what is the measurement of unit which is used in initial collection of data are same as adopted in the present study. So if the unit of the measurement differs, then the data must be modified accordingly before you use the data. Accuracy. How much the data is accurate. If you are taking the secondary data, you have to check the accuracy of the data. So these are the precautions you should take while using the secondary data. I hope you liked our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.